Burning feet at night? This one test reveals what type of nerve is damaged. Take an ice cube, place it here as if this is the top of your foot, and then above your ankle. If one spot barely feels cold, but the other feels it clearly, your small fibers, the nerves that sense temperature and pain, are sending you a signal. And it's not the signal your doctor is looking for. Here's why this matters. Most nerve tests, the one with the shocks and the needles, they only measure the big cables, the large fibers. Small fiber neuropathy slips right past those tests. It's the number one missed nerve diagnosis in patients over 50. Think of your nervous system like a city's electrical grid. The big cables carry power. That's your large fibers. The tiny wires carry the alarm system, heat, pain, touch. Those tiny wires are your small fibers. They're 40 times thinner than a hair. When they short out, the alarm screams, burning, tingling, pins and needles, and nobody checks the alarm wires. So let's start fixing them. Step one, here we go. Temperature. Tonight, your small fibers do their repair work between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., but only if your core temperature drops. That's a signal to the repair crew to clock in. If you're still under bright lights at 11 or your bedroom is above 68 degrees, your body never gets the signal. Tonight, set your thermostat to 67 or lower. Turn off your screens by 9:30. If you needed something, use a dim amber light, no blue. This isn't about sleep hygiene. This is about giving your nerve repair crew the green light. Step two, magnesium glycinate, 400 milligrams, 30 minutes before bed. Not the oxide version. Your body absorbs almost none of that. Glycinate. It calms the NMDA receptor, which is the switch that turns your nerve pain signals on at night. 400 milligrams magnesium glycinate, 30 minutes before bed. Write that down. Step three, the most surprising. Your feet need a specific type of stimulation to repair the cells where they go. It's called mechanosensory stimulation, basically controlled vibration. Here's what I want you to do. Take a personal massager, any handheld vibrating device, place it on the ball of your foot for 10 seconds. Move it to the arch, 10 seconds. Move it to the heel, 10 seconds. Do this on both feet. You're not trying to massage, you're signaling. The vibration tells the Schwann cells, your nerve maintenance crew, exactly where to send resources. A 2014 study at University of Utah showed that targeted exercise and stimulation increased intradermal nerve fiber density. That means small fibers literally grew back, confirmed by skin biopsy. This is not theory, this is measured nerve regrowth. So here's how these three steps work together. The temperature drop at night tells your body it's repair time. The magnesium quiets the pain signal so the repair crew can actually work instead of putting out fires all night. And the vibration tells them exactly where to go. Timing matters. The sequence matters. You do the vibration in the evening before bed. You take the magnesium 30 minutes before sleep. You set the temperature and the lights. By the time your head hits the pillow, the conditions for nerve repair are in place. Here's a common mistake. People do the vibration in the morning. That's fine for circulation, but your repair window is at night. Stimulate the target, then give the body the environment to rebuild. That's the sequence. One more note, if you're taking gabapentin or Lyrica, these steps don't replace that medication. They add to it. The goal is to create conditions where your body can do the work, with or without medication. Always talk to your doctor before changing anything, but these are things you can start tonight with zero risk. Now let's check something. This tells you how small fibers are doing right now. It's called the tandem stance, also known as the heel to toe test. Stand next to a chair. Always have a chair. Place one foot directly in front of the other, heel touching toe. Let go to the chair. Can you hold this for 10 seconds without swaying? If you can't, if you feel yourself wobbling or reaching for the chair, your small fibers are likely struggling with proprioception. That's your body's position sensing system. And small fiber damage compromises it. Try it now, both sides, and tell me in the comments how you did. Left side versus right side. That asymmetry tells us something important. Small fiber neuropathy is the most commonly missed nerve condition in people over 50. Your standard nerve test doesn't catch it. Your doctor may not be looking for it, but you did the temperature test, a balance test, and you have 3 steps you can start tonight. Zero cost, zero risk. Start with just one thing. Cool the room. Take the magnesium. Do the vibration. Don't do all 3 at once. Pick one. Build the habit, then add the next. There's your adjustment. If you want the full breakdown on what tests to ask your doctor for, the ones that actually detect small fiber damage, I cover that in another video called the Overnight Nerve Repair Protocol. It's in our channel here. Subscribe if you're ready to stop managing symptoms and start rebuilding. If this helped you today, share this with someone who has been struggling. They deserve to know this exists. If what we've discussed today feels like the missing piece to your puzzle, I'd like to invite you to take the next step. You don't have to navigate this journey alone. Click the link in the description below to schedule a personal consultation. We'll sit down together, look at your specific situation, and determine if our full protocols for recovery are the right fit for you. I look forward to meeting you soon, and I'll see you in the next video, so like and subscribe.